Hi guys, my name is Eric and I help you to improve your immune system. Let's talk about collagen and how to use it. Why should you use collagen? Well, the last couple of years it has been a big thing on the internet, in the beauty industry and everywhere you look. The collagen is really a good supplement because it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, it's good for your nails and it's good for your joints. And as we grow old, the natural production from our body decreases. So you can actually push the production of collagen in your body by taking a supplement. And that was something I would really advise you to do. Let's talk about the collagen and how to use it. Well, we're going to talk about this collagen here, for Forever Marine Collagen, and it's liquid. And that is really a big difference from the rest of the market, because most of the collagen supplements on the market is powder. And when you try to take powder down in a glass of water or juice or whatever you want to dissolve it in, you can be really, really irritated. I have tried it myself, and well, you get those nasty lumps and it's really, really not nice to put them in your mouth. So liquid collagen is really, really smart. And this collagen comes in these smart portions. There's one portion for each day, so there are 30 portions in this box here. And it's liquid, so you can take it just from this sachet. You can just take it and be on your way. And you can, of course, dissolve it in juice, in water, in coffee, in tea, whatever you have. This is a hydrolyzed peptide, and that means that you take the molecules and you smash them into smaller molecules that are easier to absorb from your body. And of course, because this is a liquid substance, it absorbs much faster in your body. It has zinc, it has biotin, it has Q10, and of course C vitamin and some botanical ingredients that makes it even better. So how do you use it? Well, it's really easy. Most people say that it's a good thing to take it on an empty stomach. So that means that it absorbs better in your body. I take it before my breakfast, but I know people that take it in the evening before they go to bed, because then it have time to absorb and really give your body a boost while you're sleeping, because we regenerate while we sleep. So you can just drink it, and I will show you how I do it. It's really smart because you can rip it off here, but I'm a bit clumsy and I don't want to spill this really, really good liquid. So I use a scissor and cut it off like this. So now it's ready to drink. You can just drink it like this, but I'm going to show you how it looks. So I'm going to take a glass of water here, just ordinary tap water, and then put the liquid in here. It's almost absorbed right away, but I can just take a spoon here and teaspoon and just do this, and now it's finished and it's ready to drink. So you just drink it. Some people like it, some people don't. I kind of like it. It's a bit bitter because it tastes like goji berries, and it's a bit bitter, but I kind of like it, and I take it without the water, so no problem there. But if you put it into juice or you put it into aloe vera gel, it really tastes good. So you take one every day. That's all you got to do to improve your production, your collagen production. If you have any questions, let me know down here in the comments. If you want to check it out and read more about collagen, there is a link down here, and you can also give me a follow on the channel if you want to see more videos about marketing and about health supplements. My name is Eric and I help you to improve your immune system. Have a great day.